Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to Sufa English School Class 8, Subject History, Lesson number 10, Armed Revolutionary Movement. Armed Revolutionary Movement. The agitations against the British imperialism were carried out in various ways in India. In this chapter, we shall get acquainted with it. We have studied the uprising before the 1857 against the British and the freedom movement of 1857. In the latter period, Ram Singh Kuka organized the rebellion against the government in Punjab. Vasudev Balwant Phadke. In Maharashtra, Vasudev Balwant Phadke gave an armed struggle against the British. He assumed that there should be an armed struggle to fight against the British. He took the training of the arms from Vasant Lalji Salve, Vasar Lahoji Salve. This is the Vasudev Balwant Phadke. Struggle fights against the British. He took the training of the arms from the Vasar Lahoji Salve. He organized the Ramoshish and the revolts against the British. This rebellion became unsuccessful. The British government sent him to the Eden jail. There he died in 1883. He built up in the armed struggle for the independence. The first non-cooperation movement in the previous lesson. The next is the armed rebellion. यानी इन्होंने क्या किया कि उनके अगेंस्ट हथियार उठा लिया और इसके जो वो थी ट्रेनिंग वो कौन देता था? वसाद लाहौजी साल्वे. इन्होंने एक ऑर्गेनाइज की रामोशीस ने अंग्रेज़ों के यानी ब्रिटिशियर्स के खिलाफ. तो ये अनसक्सेसफुल रही और इनको फिर ईडन जेल में डाल दिया गया और 1883 में इनको डेथ हो गई. नेक्स्ट, चाफेकर ब्रदर्स. The Chafikar brothers in 1897, the plague commissioner Rand had the resorted the trainee and the force while managing the epidemic of plague in Pune. As a revenge, the Chafikar brothers, Damodar and the Balkrishna, shoot him dead on 22 June 1897. Damodar, Balkrishna and the Vasudev, there are three brothers. First brother's name Damodar, second Balkrishna and Vasudev. These three brothers are there associated Mahadev Ranade were hanged to death from the same house. Three brothers accepted मृत्युदंड for the service of the country. यानी उन्होंने देश के लिए अपनी जान गंवा दी. For the service of the country during the same period, Munda tribe in Bihar. मुंडा ट्राइब्स मीन्स ये जो ट्राइबल्स होते हैं आदिवासी, इनमें बिहार के जो मुंडा थे ट्राइब्स कहलाते हैं मुंडा. बिहार के थे अंडर द लीडरशिप ऑफ द बिरसा मुंडा मेड द ग्रेट रिवोल्ट्स अगेंस्ट द ब्रिटिशर्स. ऑफ द गवर्नमेंट. नेक्स्ट, अभिनव भारत. इन 19 स्वतंत्र वीर विनायक दामोदर Savarkar founded the Mitra Mela, a secret organization of the revolutionaries in the Nasik. The name was Mitra Mela. The secret foundations of the Vinayak Damodar Savarkar in Nasik. The same organization was renamed as the Abhinav Bharat. The rename, the Mitra Mela, the first name was Mitra Mela and rename was Abhinav Bharat in 94. Savarkar went to the England for the higher education. From there he began sending a revolutionary literature and guns etc. to the members of Abhinav Bharat in India. He wrote and the inspiring biography of Joseph Mazzani in the famous Italian revolutionary. The pictures of Swatantraveer Savarkar was Vinayak Damodar Savarkar. Of Joseph Mazzani in the famous Italian revolutionary. The 1857 rebellion was the first war of the independence was started in the book The Indian War of Independence 1857 written by him is the Joseph Mazzani. the government came to know about the activities of the Abhinav Bharat. Therefore, the government arrested Baba Rao Savarkar. He was the sentenced to life imprisonment as the revenge to this punishment. A youth named Anant Lakshman Kanhare killed Jackson, the collector of the नासिक. जो कलेक्टर थे नासिक के जैक्सन, उनको किल्ड कर दिए. किन्हें? अनंत लक्ष्मण कन्हारे. The government started arresting all those people who were connected with अभिनव भारत ऑर्गेनाइजेशन. ये जो ऑर्गेनाइजेशन से जितने लोग कनेक्ट थे उन सबको अरेस्ट कर लिया गया. And the murder of Jackson was linked with Swatantra Veer Savarkar by the government. He was arrested and put under the trial. The court ordered him the rigorous punishment for 15 years. Next, revolutionary movement in Bengal. After the partition of Bengal, the outrage against the British became more severe. In the place of local rebellions, comprehensive, the revolutionary movements started rising on the national level in various parts of the country. The youth inspiration, the revolutionary thoughts started establishing. To keep control over the British officers, to loosen the government machinery, to wipe out of the fear in the minds of Indians regarding the British government. Overthrowing the British rules were some of its main objectives. In Bengal, a revolutionary organization called the Anushilan Samiti was active. The Anushilan Samiti had more than 500 branches. In the Barindra Kumar Ghosh, and a brother of Arvindo Ghosh, was the chief of this organization. This organization receives counsels in the guidance from the Arvindo Ghosh. The Anushilan Samiti had a bomb manufacturing center at the Manikkala near the Kolkata. In 98, Khudiram Bose and the Prafulla Chaki, members of the Anushilan Samiti. The member of Anushilan Samiti is Prafulla Chaki, Khudiram Bose, and the Samiti planned to kill a judge named of the King's Fort. But the vehicle in which they threw the bomb was not one carrying King's Fort to England. Women where two women were killed in these attacks. Prafulla Chaki shot himself with a bullet so that he will not fall in the hands of British. Khudiram Bose was the caught by the police. During the investigation, the police got information about the working of Anushilan Samiti. They started arresting the members of this organization. Which organization is the Anushilan Samiti? Arvindo Ghosh was also arrested, but the government was unsuccessful in linking him to the manufacturing of bomb, and hence the court set him free. Other members were sentenced into long terms of imprisonment. Raj Bihari Bose and the Sachindra Nath Sanyal spread the network of the revolutionary organization outside of Bengal. The centers of revolutionary work were set up Punjab, Delhi, and Uttar Pradesh. Raj Bihari Bose and his associates made during the his associate made a daring act of throwing bomb at the Viceroy Lord Hardinge, but he got saved from the attack. The revolutionary work was carried out in the Madras province as well. Vachi Lai Iyer, a revolutionary, killed a British officer named Ash. Later he shot himself. बाद में उन्होंने क्या जो ब्रिटिश ऑफिसर थे उनका नाम ऐश था, उनको उन्होंने मार दिया. उसके बाद उन्होंने खुद को भी शूट कर लिया. विद बुलेट एंड सैक्रिफाइस हिज ओवन लाइफ. इंडिया हाउस. द रेवोल्यूशनरी वर्क इन इंडिया रिसीव्ड असिस्टेंस फ्रॉम द इंडियन रेवोल्यूशनरीज स्टेइंग अब्रॉड. इंडिया हाउस in London was the important center which provided for such kind of the assistants. Pandit Shyamji Krishna Verma, an Indian patriot established Pandit Shyamji Krishna Verma and Madam Kama. This lesson is the main started point of the revolutionary movement, and some introduction of this lesson. The struggle against the British was carried out in the various ways, and after the freedom struggle of 1857, Ram Singh Kuka in the Vasudev Balwant Phadke and the Chapekar brothers, Birsa Munda, and like objective of the revolutionaries movement, and Anushilan Samiti, Abhinav Bharat, and revolutionary work in Madras province. Next para we will read and learn this para, and important words note down in your notebook. Next para we will explain next video inshallah. Allah Hafiz.